Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today I have a little air gauge which plugs into my air compressor, and the little pressure gauge up here broke. The little glass broke. So we're actually going to put a new one on today. This is the package that it comes in, and we're going to open up that package. This is that brand new little gauge that we're going to put back onto this little test unit. I'm going to show you how to do it. The tools we're going to need today: a little simple monkey wrench, and we're going to need a little bit of Teflon tape. The trick with Teflon tape is when you're going to wrap a fitting, it needs to go around at least 4 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half a twist for a good measure. There we go. That's what that looks like. We're going to put the protective rubber back on again. Now we're going to screw this back in here. That's as simple as it gets. It's all ready to go to test the pressure on the next tire I put it onto. If you liked the video today, please press subscribe and press like. We'll see you next time.